Hey guys, this is Sophie, and I got a journal to write down all the scary things that have happened. Yes, clear paper. Actually, with lines on it. So I wrote, sitting. Oh, it says sit. Sit. Oh, it's a sit on stairs. Oh, sitting sitting on stairs and door creak open at 1:04. What day is it? Isn't it July 9th? I think I'm pretty sure it's July 9th. Yeah. July 9th. July 9th. Okay, July 9th. Okay. Watching video and floor made a huge boom. Well, boom, because I'm, it looks like this. I'm sorry, and I'm so sorry. Those things, wow. Okay. Boom. Watching videos and floor made a huge boom. Next, walking upstairs and what was it? Seeing. Sorry, it's hard to seeing a flash. Yeah, so that's all so far. So far. It's creepy. So here it is. Sorry, I have a messy handwriting. If you believe me, I do. Sorry, it's because I'm not giving it time. If I had time, it'll be like... What was that? Oh. Only person on the truck is in one bedroom, so I'll walk you in. In the bathroom, so. We keep the door open sometimes. Splash of water. Gotta take the plug out. We don't need this old plug. Okay. Anything in the bathtub like that girl? See this? It's like a splash of water. If you guys can see it. And I emptied all of the soda. There's a couple drips in there, but that doesn't make any difference because it's almost empty. Super close. Okay, I'm gonna close this. If it opens, you can really go when I walk in. Okay. Well, that was weird. Oh yeah. Sorry, my brother's watching the video. Oh, my poor little kitty. Okay, I'm going to leave you right here, guys, while I go get my cat. hold with both hands, but it's hard. Okay, well, I must keep you safe in my bedroom. Okay. I'm gonna go back in. I don't see anything, but this turtle creeps me out always. Always. Go away. Oh, it's just staring at me. Nothing in here. Well, that's gonna. Let me. Should I open the door? Look at that evil doorknob. Should I open it? Look. It creaked open a little bit. See? Creaked open a little bit, and I closed it all the way where it was shut, and it stayed. Okay, I closed it all the way. Should I open the window? Yeah, they locked it. Ah, it's still locked. Can't get it open. This is a bit creepy. I wish it like this. Okay. I'll also show you where I saw the flash. Right there where those evil bar shadows are. Okay, well, hope you have a good time. Please comment. Wait, no. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you next week at the haunted. Wait, let me make a name up. I really didn't make a name up because I just started these videos today. So let's see, what should I choose for a name? Well, I'll let you know in the next video. That's probably gonna be 5 minutes later if I hear anything else. Well, bye. Please subscribe, comment down below, and last but not least, wait, did I say it? I think I said I don't know. Okay, I'll just say it again. Subscribe, comment down below, and last but not least, like. Well, bye.